Here's how you can convert HEIC photos to JPEG on iPhone the easiest way. So the first method is to change it in the iPhone settings. The first thing that you need to do is to open settings and then scroll down and tap on camera. From here, tap on format and then under camera capture, select most compatible. This saves all future photos as JPEG instead of HEIC. So the second method is to convert existing HEIC to JPEG using the Files app. First is to open the Photos app and then select the HEIC photo that you want to convert. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap on copy photo and then go to files and then go to on my iPhone. Now long press on a blank space and then tap on paste. This will make your photo be pasted as JPEG file in the Files app automatically. And that's it.